Okay, okay. Setting powder. This is from Decorte. Gift lang din ng makeup artist ko. So, I just use whatever. Shade ng eyeshadow. Number 2. Hello Peach. Lashes from the Lord. Akin to lahat. These are my lashes. I'm telling you, the mascara is just really good. And the curling. You know what? If you're gonna buy, just buy them both. Shiseido Curl Lash and Absidy Mascara. My combo never misses. Always good. It has never failed me. Anong setting spray? I just use the Charlotte. Basic, typical. Original po ang eyelash. Yes po, original po. Class H. And then I just let it bake for a bit before I touch it. Hindi ko muna siya ginagalaw. So, magchikahan muna tayo. Anong nangyari sa leeg mo? Hindi ko rin alam. May kumagat siguro sa akin sa taping. Nakuha ko to nung nag-taping ako eh. Ganda ng misbehave. Salamat. Thank you. Do you nose contour? I will. So, after I bake, I'm gonna powder that off with my Charlotte powder and then I'm gonna set. So, later. Sana all hindi oily yung face. I'm blessed talaga na medyo dry nga lang ako. I lean towards the drier side, but combination skin talaga ako. But you know, I don't really use foundation palagi eh. Ito yung sobrang favorite ko na base makeup. Screenshot nyo, maganda to, promise. This one's really good. I just use a cushion. Although I don't use it every day, but if I wanted like very light makeup lang, I would use this cushion from Jungse Mall. Good. Good, good. Super good. Okay, and then, sabi sa akin is, after you bake, di ba, nandyan pa yung powder nung binake mo. You take your powder, another kind of powder, and then you use that to brush off the powder na binibake mo. Sinabi lang sa akin, sinusunod ko lang kasi wala namang mawawala. Then I will powder my whole face. Like so. Okay. Then we will set. Where is my spray? Bri, can you blow over my face? Thank you. Anong lens? Hindi Hindi ko alam yun. Ang dali, ang dali. Okay, ito na yung lens. Makinig. Bray, stop mo muna.
Sorry. Yeah.
Okay, important announcement. Ito na po yung contact lens. Makinig na po kayo. Screen record nyo na po ito. I'm only gonna say this once. Wow. So, I got my contact lens from Lens Atelier. You can search them here sa TikTok. And then, what I'm wearing right now is called Gravity Glowy Brown. Gravity Glowy Brown. Alam nyo, nirepost ko naman siya. I-check nyo na lang. Yan, okay? Got it? Gravity Glowy Brown from Lens Atelier. Got it? Got it? Okay, mga mi, paki-screenshot. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay na? Okay? Okay na? Okay na. Okay. Paki-comment na nga dito, tapos ipin nyo na lang. Maraming salamat. Salamat po. Perfect. Okay. Thank you mga yan. I-check out nyo na yan. Perfect. Okay. Next. I am going to contour myself. Are you done? Okay. Salamat naman sa nag-comment. Maraming salamat. Thank you po. Okay, then I'm gonna contour lang. Grabe, alam nyo, kung may yellow basket lang ako, laki siguro nang kinita ko today. Okay? Alam nyo, ganito na lang. Isa pa, rundown. Ang ginamit ko po sa aking kilay for today, paki-record na again, mga momshi. Ang ginamit ko po sa kilay ko today is the Benefit 24-Hour Brow Setter Clear Gel. Okay, got it. Tapos, ang eyebrow pen ko is Strokes. Period. Okay? Okay. Salamat. Case? Anong case? Case ng ano? Na cellphone? Nose contour ka na. Hindi ako grabe mag-nose contour, ha? Baka nag-expect kayong magbabago yung shape ng mukha. Ay, napasdami ang contour. Ayan na nga, sinasabi ko ni. What lashes do you use? Wala pa, mami. Akin to lahat. Yes. Eyelash curler is from Shiseido. Sa Orange app ko lang to binili, so I'm sure makikita nyo din. But please, huwag nyo i-sold out kasi kailangan ko na rin ng bago. But walang basket kasi hindi naman ako nagbebenta. Setting powder is from Decorte. I don't know where this is from. Bigay lang to ng makeup artist ko. Be, kanina ka pa. Alam ko po. Kanina pa ako. Ilang oras na to, pero ganun talaga. Beauty takes time. Wow. O diba, hindi ko kinoncealer yung pimple ko. Okay lang. Vibes lang. Matagal talaga akong mag-makeup. That's one thing you should know about me. Hindi ko kaya mag-makeup habang kinakausap kayo. So, kasalanan nyo talaga. Contours from Charlotte Tilbury. It's giant. So, I would say sulit naman siya kasi it's gigantic. Okay. Ang kinakatakot ko ay ang pag-eyeliner. So, mamaya dadamayan nyo ako, no? Bri, marunong mag-eyeliner ng ibang tao.
Hindi.
Okay lang. Hindi, kaya ko to. Ganito talaga. Hindi ko kinuha si Angge eh. So,
Anong ginagawa mo? Like wing? Yung wing
yeah, at si tiny baby wing. Okay. Next, mag-eyeliner na tayo. For the love of Beyonce. Hindi, sige, gawin mo muna
Set
yan.
ko lang ito. Tapos.
Go.
Tapos.
Pinaka-kinakatakot ko sa lahat.
A la carte Filipino actress and singer shares a live with us as she was getting ready. As you can see her trying to answer to a few questions that are popping up. So what do you think about this beautiful Get Ready With Me live stream with Alexa Lacat, that is a Filipino actress and singer? Like, share, and also subscribe. Bye.